The Landowner Incentive Program, also known as LIP, helps private landowners to conduct natural resource management on their property. LIP offers funding opportunities for private landowners to create, restore, protect, and enhance habitat for rare or at-risk species throughout Texas. LIP supports conservation work to positively impact valuable riparian areas and watersheds. The program provides cost sharing with private landowners, where Texas Parks and Wildlife covers a percentage of the costs for a proposed project, and the landowner contributes a minimum percentage through various forms of match. This could be monetary matches, or providing materials, or through in-kind labor. Common practices include native plant restoration, control of exotic vegetation, prescribed burning, selective brush management, wetland enhancement, riparian restoration, and forest stand improvement. The results of the LIP management work must be measurable. Therefore, the landowner must agree to allow biologists onto their property for a pre-agreement survey. Then, periodic visits to assess the progress of the project. There is an application process to participate in LIP, with priority given to targeted watersheds or a particular species, as well as projects that offer long-term protection and monitoring, or those where landowners contribute above minimum levels. LIP is funded through partnerships with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service Partners for Fish and Wildlife Program, the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation, and other partners.
We're currently in a landowner incentive program to restore 170 acres of forest to a more open state, removing the understory. This is primarily to benefit the endangered Houston toad. The nice side effect of that is what you do that helps the Houston toad in these forests helps everything. It also makes the land dramatically better from a landowner point of view because it makes the land usable. We can walk through it, enjoy it.
Their project used cooperative endangered species funds from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. It supported mechanical and chemical brush management on 140 acres, in addition to reseeding and a yet-to-be-completed prescribed burn.
The government is reimbursing 75% of our expenses, which has made what would have otherwise been impractical for us practical. At 25%, we can afford to do a lot. And of course, the other thing we get from it, though, and maybe even as valuable as the financial, is all the expertise from the TPWD biologists. The two biologists that we work with primarily on this project are Tim Sigmund and Paul Crump. Paul actually helped us get the contract done, monitoring things, doing lots of stuff that we wouldn't have known how to do, and also advising us all along the way.
If you are interested in applying, the first step is to contact your Texas Parks and Wildlife Biologist. They will help you assess your land, review your goals, and provide you with information regarding the available incentive and assistance programs. If together you decide to apply, your TPWD biologist will help you prepare and submit a project proposal packet. LIP is a competitive grant program. Proposals are reviewed and ranked according to the ranking criteria specific to the funding series. Applicants not selected can usually reapply. For more information and how to find your local Texas Parks and Wildlife biologist, see the video description below.